Enjoying the story? Subscribe to Emma Easy English. Turn on the bell icon for more slow English stories.
Well, look at that. He likes you.
He's so fluffy. Look at his little paws. It's locked. I can't go any further. We made it! Oh, Penny, look! Mama, where are we going? Quickly, Lily. We have to make this train. Mama? Mama? Where are you? Mama? Please, anyone, help me find my mama. Mom! Mom! Wait! Lost a bit, have we?
Here, sit.
Thanks. It's really coming down out there.
You must be cold, kiddo. Here, have this. Thank you.
Thank you. Are you waiting for a train too?
You could say that. Missed my stop too. Well, look at that. He likes you.
He's so fluffy. Look at his little paws. Where does this path go?
Home. If we're lucky.
Where are we going, Mr. Walter?
Somewhere special, Lily.
Don't worry, we're almost there.
We're almost there. Just past these booths.
Wow, look at that old sign, Mr. Walter.
Be careful, Penny. Stay close.
It's locked. I can't go any further. Now what do I do? We're stuck, aren't we?
Not yet. I know this station better than you think. Bingo! Found it. Now, to see if it still works. All right, Lily. Here we go.
Be careful, Mr. Walter.
All right, old friend. Let's get this done.
We're through! It's beautiful!
We made it! Oh, Penny, look! We made it! Come on, Lily, let's go!
Where are we going, Mr. Walter?
To a new adventure.
All right, Lily. Looks like we're just in time.
It's so bright in there, Mr. Walter.
Don't worry, it'll be warm and safe inside.
Where is he? Clara? Michael, I'm here.
Lily! Oh, Lily! Clara!
I was so scared, baby. Are you okay?
I'm okay, Mom. A kind man helped me. Mr. Walter! He was right here. Where did he go? He sounds like a very special man. I'm so glad we made it through the rain. Me too. It's so warm in here. Look at the stars, Clara. It's so clear. Yes, Lily, it's a beautiful night. Thank you, Mr. Walter, wherever you are. I needed this drive. Me too. All right, we're home, Lily. Yay! Come on, Penny. Watch your step. Thank you, Clara. You're welcome, Lily. It smells so good. I know, let's enjoy it. I'm so glad you're safe, sweetheart. Sometimes the scariest nights turn into the best memories. Good night, my sweet. Good night, Mom.